Hello everyone, this is Travis the Trader coming back to you live. This is part 2 of my account activity for July 26th, 2024. We next go on to CZR, that's Caesars Entertainment. This is a covered call. The calls are slightly in the money, but please note that Caesars has earnings next week on July the 30th. Of course, we'll keep our eyes peeled, but need an uptick. DAL is a naked put. That's Delta Airlines, which just had earnings. Also, my puts is actually out of the money, but I still need this as an uptick bullish strategy through and through. DKNG, DraftKings, which is that's the sports betting site, has earnings next week as well on August the 1st. I got 4 covered calls, 400 shares, and as I said before, it's a bullish strategy. Need the stock to move north. EWW is Mexico ETF. Have a covered call. Cannot seem to buy an uptick in this. Continue selling covered calls. I continue to roll those calls in order to reduce my cost basis. EWZ is the Brazilian ETF. I've got 2 naked puts. Slightly those puts are in the money. Again, it's a bullish strategy, but very difficult in getting any sort of uptick from Brazil. FCX is Freeport-McMoRan. Those of you who might be seeking exposure to copper, not wanting to sell or trade any sort of /HG, which is the copper futures, FCX might be a good way of getting that exposure. This is a actually this was an earnings trade that I put on this week. Please excuse me on that. And this is a naked put at 44. Stock is at 45. Slightly out of the money, but again, bullish strategy. Need this thing to move upwards. GDX, we're talking about exposure to copper. This is exposure to gold futures /GC. GDX are the gold miners. This is just a naked put, basic strategy at 37. Needed to move up. Gold has had a pretty tough week, but it was up today. Gold futures, as you can see, up about 30 points. GDXJ, which are the miners, also miners, but the junior miners. And this is a strangle, 4052 strangle, scheduled to expire 56 days. I needed to trade within this range, and so far it's doing what it has to do. And then the last piece for part 2 is GE. This was a trade I put on this week, also post earnings. This is a naked put. Stock had quite a nice day today, up $5. 150 strike, scheduled to expire in 56 days. Bullish strategy, needed to continue to move northward, and we'll be quite happy. Please stay tuned for part 3, and I look forward to seeing you at the next video. Please, for those of you who found value, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and look forward to seeing you at the next video.